Good morning, chemistry folks. Hopefully you enjoyed some of yesterday's sunny, beautiful afternoon in and amongst doing all your stuff. Very short video today as we say hello and get things going. It's just really a day to kind of practice and get some stuff going. For all of you, there is just a few problems on a homework worksheet, gas and stoichiometry. Just download it. 4 problems, maybe 5, and really just work through. I don't have many more examples to do because we did like 3 of them on the previous video that cover everything, and it's really just practice at balancing equations and how do I use the ideal gas law, and of course it surrounds the moles and stuff. So the sheet's there. It's got answers in bold. The ones I'm giving you are just the math, not the balancing equation and stuff. But that's there in bold. And really, I'm going to give you a couple days. You don't have to actually upload it to show me all your work, although you got to write out all your work. You don't have to upload it till Thursday. I'm just going to give you a couple of days to work at that. It's not part of our final exam and stuff, but it certainly doesn't hurt to write chemical equations and stuff and kind of do a little practice along that line. So that's all of you. You'll have a couple days to do that, and you can go back and refer to yesterday's video and stuff and watch the examples and walk through with them and stuff and do that. Also, although not soon, but for that quiz you took online, and we'll be posting the problems and the answers. But again, right now the focus is a little bit of work here and more work on getting ready for the final exam on stoichiometry and solutions. So everybody will have that worksheet to do, and then you can study for the final, do whatever, take a couple days to do that. Some of you will notice when you pop on a Schoology, those of you who are making up the stoichiometry exam, I individually assign that to you. That's your first priority today. You need to do that. You've got 45 minutes to finish the problems. Should be okay. Didn't overload it with too many problems, but certainly all the content that we did back in the first part of the term with stoichiometry. Again, you have to show all your work on that. So whether you're working on the side or something along that line, make sure that you're typing in all the work. You can't just type in the answer. And again, you should have plenty of time to finish it, but just know that once you start, you do have to finish it. I don't, you tell me you ran out of time, there's not much I can do about that. You've been warned. Okay, so do that first and then worry about the gas stuff. And I'll get through those and get those in there for a grade. Also, I'm trying to keep grades updated with everything you got. Some of you are missing stuff. Some of you put the wrong labs in the wrong spots, and I can't give you a grade for them because you uploaded things the incorrect labs. So make sure you're going through and checking your grades. Make sure I haven't made any errors in typing or things along that line. That kind of homework we've been doing since online comes out really as a 0 because I'm not having the points on Schoology right now because of the technical issues we had the first week. I don't want homework points kind of screwing things up, what would be packet points. So that's the idea there. So really there's where we're at for the week. Most of you today will just kind of pick away at a few problems on gas law stoichiometry using your resources and stuff. Some of you will first focus on making up that stoichiometry exam, and then there's always making sure that all the quarter 3 labs and everything in your grades are appropriate. We'll get through all that, and we'll get through this term, and then we'll get set up for quarter 4. Anyhow, always drop in if you have questions on during office hours at any point, whatever, but just drop in and ask questions so we can guide it. And I enjoy talking one-on-one with you as I can. So have a great day. Stay healthy, stay happy, and work hard.